Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to set your Instagram account profile to public so that anybody can see if you posted a photo or video. First of all, I'm on Instagram here. I'll tap the little profile icon on the bottom right and then the three lines at the top right, and then go to settings here, and then you'll see privacy is the fourth option there. I'll tap that. And then now you can see right under connections it shows account privacy public. So what you can do here is either set it to private or you can change it. Okay, now it's public. So you can toggle this on or off whether you want your account to be private or public. If it's turned off right now, then it's public. Anybody can view your profile or your videos, and anybody can follow you. So you can turn this off if you want people generally to be able to find you and to grow your Instagram following. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to like and subscribe.